你好，我是Masa san. I'm CEO of Nulab Inc. and also co-founder. Last night, I came back from Korea to Taiwan. Had a lot of Korean style barbecue, BBQ, called samgyeopsal. You know samgyeopsal? You know? Samgyeopsal is very delicious beef. Please remember, if you go to Korea, you try to eat that. My company has 3 collaboration services. Our company. Please hand your hand up if you know our company, Nulab. I see. Everyone knows our company. Right. Backlog support. We have 3 services. Backlog, this one, supports project management. It's used by over 3,000 companies in Japan. Of course, we expanded the backlog for global. In Taiwan, it's okay. Little bit users. Kaku, this one. Kaku supports drawing and sharing diagrams. You can draw diagrams on the web browser. It's used by over 1.6 million users worldwide. This one, called TypeTalk. TypeTalk supports discussion with your coworkers. It released last year and used by about 10,000 users now. We support collaboration in your business. And Nulab is founded by 3 programmers. I'm also a programmer. I was programmer. Now studying Scala. You know Scala? This one runs on Scala. This one and Kaku runs on Java. Of course, Kaku used Flash. Nulab is established by 3 programmers, but we got some awards of the website. The design is one of our strengths. However, our company is not a web design company. We got the horrible mention on our awards. Which is our website on the world. And more, this site got the website of the day on CSS Design Award. We got some awards on worldwide. In 2005, we launched our project management tool called Backlog in Japan. Currently, Backlog has many features. For example, task management, wikis, charts, file sharing, and version control, subversion and Git, and so on. Additionally, Backlog has been used by about over 3,000 companies right now. This is the top page of first Backlog. Funny illustration and so simple display. The first Backlog had the task management feature only. This is the old view of the task management feature. This one and this one. It was designed by programmers. You know, most of programmers don't have a design sense. You know? We know. If they have the sense, but they don't have the comfortable technique for using Photoshop and Illustrator and writing HTML and CSS, we also don't have the technique. So the design was really cheap because the view created by programmers. When we launched the Backlog, it was very rare case that business tool is provided as a web service. So most of people didn't use a web service in 2005. And there are no words cloud. Then we got negative feedbacks from anonymous people on the website. I'll introduce them. Anonymous said it is worried about leaving their project information on the company's server, including Nulab's Backlog. In that day, Nulab was a very small company. There were 4 or 5 people, and only 1 year left from established company. It was not enough to believe. Our target users didn't have fear that Backlog has a security. Other anonymous said it is made by professional school students. No, it has been made by professional programmers. Perhaps its design didn't seem so. The anonymous was also worried about using Backlog. Another anonymous said, I don't make up my mind to task input. Users had feeling difficulty of using Backlog. Now, I'll share how we solved the problems by design. The first Backlog had 2 big problems. One is users were worried about using a web-based service and Backlog. Another one, users have feeling that Backlog is difficult to use. Besides, we want to try to promote a collaboration on Backlog. First, we brought the design to Backlog. This is a big change. Nulab was programmer's company, but we gotten the power of design. We hired 2 designers. One is illustrate. One is illustration talent, and another one is coding talent. The design made users' mind. Probably Backlog is provided by a legitimate company we can believe it, maybe we can pay cost to Backlog. Then we're updating the design regularly. So Backlog has been gotten more users' trust with the design. This is not design thing. We put the privacy mark on the side. This unstylish logo is very important in Japan. This unstylish logo has been provided by Japan Information Processing Development Center. So wrong name. In short, this unstylish logo means the company keeps users' privacy, but very, very unstylish. So the unstylish logo makes users peace of mind. If you try to promote your service to Japan, please get this unstylish logo and put on your site. Project management needs many informations when your team is over about 5 people. Categories, for example, categories, priorities, issue types, assignee, and so on. Most of team which is using Backlog have over 5 people. I know there are over 30 people project on using Backlog team. There are so many tasks. It is not enough only the subject and the description. We have more information. We added small functions for easy input. For example, this is input home. This is input home for assignee. The form suggests assignee when you input the name. It is realized easy input of assignee. Additionally, if you would like to become the assignee, you can click assignee to myself only. HTML5 file drag and drop is awesome. Added the function for editing the attached file easily. We have added so many small functions for easy to input and easy to use, but I cannot introduce them in about 25 minutes. Please try use it, Backlog. And you know, the design is not only UI design. UX design is also important. We did the meeting for syncing the user experience, as we wanted to try promote collaboration on Backlog. She is illustrator. He is marketer from outside Nulab. He is a programmer. He was programmer. We shared the image of before and after of using Backlog with illustrations we wrote. This is my illustration. Before using Backlog, team members are in a bad mood. Team member disrespect for other members, mainly project manager. Work hard, no play before using Backlog. This is problem for user experience. After using Backlog, seems so happy. Team members have feeling happy, and team member helps other members and makes smile. Project manager also happy. Team member respects other team members, they enjoy the collaboration work hard and play harder. This is Japanese collaboration and help each other happy. This is our image of before and after of using Backlog, and decided our big program we want to solve. The problem is bad mood. We want to go out. We want to bring to happy mood. Then we wrote a letter. This is mock letter. We wrote a letter to introduce Backlog for friends, and picked up interesting sentence in the letter. For example, it is simple in Japanese. It is simple to use. You can understand a status of progress easily, and every project members can use Backlog, not only programmers. Everybody using Backlog. This is a letter. We decided the direction of user experience through the letter and image of before and after. We wrote and so on. The bad project needs good collaboration makes from fun. So we wrote cute and vivid design to Backlog. It makes fun into your project. There are no battle front of cute display. You can use emoji. You know emoji? Emoji in your comment and send your thank you or awesome with one click for other team members. That makes fun communication. Then your project is getting success because the success is made from good collaboration and fun if you use Backlog. After the solved the problems, now we have gotten many positive feedbacks from famous companies, enterprise companies, and small companies, also designers and programmers. They said Backlog is very, very useful and helpful. It is different from other task management tool because it is fun. This is our solved problems. Thank you for your attention. Please like our Facebook page. Thank you. Do you have any questions? Hello.
How do you collect the data and analyze? Do you use Google GA?
Do you? Huh? Good point. Good point. We have contact form on our website. Difficult. We are using user voice. You know user voice? It is service. In Japanese, this is kind of forum. We get some voice, user voice from on this service. And user put on request or a bag on this form and automatically input to Backlog. Another one is we have many contact home. Normally mail contact home, and live Q&A. We talk with users face to face on the video chat. User can ask us from this form. For example, user inputs something and send mail, and we received and decide the date and time and put up the video chat and face-to-face talk. Also, in Taiwan, we can do it, Lilian. Live Q&A. We are doing it. So we have many contacts home. Thank you.
I have another question. So, 我可以说中文，然后帮我翻译吗？好。我想要问的问题是，就是他刚才说的是他就是收集他的回馈，然后我们也有用 user voice， 然后 video chat 我是很惊讶，然后另外我想问的是他们怎么样去收集他们的数据，然后那个在想要问另外一个问题是，他们根据那个数据数据，然后去看怎么样去看他们的功能，哪一些要拿掉，然后哪一些要改进，哪一些要做。
基本上面来讲呢，我们是最 rely 最上面呢，应该是说最直接。
对。
我已崩溃。
Analytics. We are using Google Analytics. Just website only. Yeah. The system don't have tracking system. Cause very nervous system. User don't like analytics by us.
我们最主要还是我们喜欢面对面跟我们的用户直接沟通，然后我们常常会在日本或者是在全世界办一些 user event， 在透过这些 user event 当中，我们直接跟他沟通，然后他们因为像是 user voice 的话，它本身这个机制是可以做到投票的机制嘛，所以我们蛮多的功能是我们的用户他们自己觉得说他们想要有这个功能，把它放到那个 user voice 上面，然后我们其他的用户看到之后呢，他们会以投票的机制。那我们是根据这个来做一些开发，那当然我们自己也会在开发完之后呢，自己先测试一段时间，我们自己觉得好不好用，然后来决定这个功能到底是要留着还是不要留着。
所以除了 user voice， 然后还有 GA， 那有在 Facebook 上面开，比如说 private group， 就是私密社团，然后邀请客户来反映问题或是什么的吗？
这方面是有的。对，但是我们也有我们自己也有就是开放的那种 Facebook 的粉丝团。那其实我们的客户如果有任何问题，他们也会上去直接问我们。那像是 Live Q&A 的话，是你可以自己 book 一个时段，跟我们直接透过可能是一些 video chat 的东西，你有任何问题，可能使用上面的问题想要问我们，你也可以问我们，或者是你有什么要反映的，都可以做到这个。
谢谢。We are using Backlog in my company.
A/B testing.
A/B testing.
Yes.
Oh, we don't.
Yes, we do.
Oh, why?
A/B testing.
A/B testing.
Yeah, for UI, like which one's better.
Yeah. We are doing A/B tests in our company, not for public.
我们自己公司内部的时候是有用 A/B testing， 但是没有到外部使用。对。
And part of users.
有一部分我们会开启，就是用 A/B testing 给我们比较信任或者长久配合的客户，让他们自己使用，然后给一些 feedback 我们。
嗯哼。啊，多謝。多謝。